Want to use iPhone 17 dual capture video mode? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application camera. Once you're inside the camera section, you have to swipe right and head over to video. Click on video. Once clicked on video, now if you're using iPhone 17, you should see this three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see the option of dual capture mode. Tap on dual capture mode and it will enable the dual capture mode and it will look something like this. Once done, you can start recording the video by clicking on this red button at the bottom of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can enable or use dual capture mode of video on iPhone 17. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.